Good morning, friends. This is Venugopal, mathematics teacher. Let me explain about some concept in the mathematics. The concept is polynomials. The concept is polynomials. Chalo, before going to polynomials, first of all we have to know what is a polynomial, what is the base of the polynomial. Actually, the base of the polynomial comes from expressions. We have to know about expressions. What is expression? Generally we will call it as algebraic expression. What is expression? Expression is nothing but combination of variables and constants. Combination of variables and constants is called expression. I think you understood. In this, the main concept is what is meant by combination. What is meant by combination? Combination means, especially the backbone of the mathematics, nothing but combination is the four operations of the mathematics, the main pulse of the mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four operations, combination, by using these four operations, we have to combine the variables and constants. First step is combination. Is what is the meaning of combination? Means by using these four operations, we are adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. To whom? Variables and constants. What is meant by, next step is what is meant by variable? Variable, in the name itself, variable means the value which is various. That means which is not fixed, that which value changes. That means indirectly we will say that variable is unknown value. Maybe it is x, maybe it is y, maybe it is z, maybe it is l, m, n, depend upon the problem. We will take x, y, z element, whatever, small letters. All these are small alphabets. Why? Because this x may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, it varies. That's why it is called variable. So next concept is constant. What is meant by constant? Constant is nothing but a fixed value. That is nothing but our number system. We have different of number system. From that we have to choose any numbers, maybe positive numbers, maybe natural numbers, maybe integers, maybe rational numbers, real numbers, maybe rational numbers, whatever you can take. That means constants. That means now let me come to sum up the definition of algebraic expression is nothing but combination of variables and constants. Combination of variables and constants is nothing but, see, if x is there here and some 2 is there here, the combination of this maybe by adding positive, that means plus, this is x plus 2, or x minus 2, or 2 minus x. However you can combine these by using the addition operation. Multiplication operation also you can use. 2 times x, right? You can use the division also. X times 2. All these are expressions. You can take a multiplication, addition, subtraction, whatever you, this total, this is called, these are called expressions. Can't we use the double? That means can't we use the x again? Yes, you can use the x again. That means you may write x into x. This is also expression. That means x square or x square plus 2 or x square by 2. All these are called expressions. Here we use in this example we use only one variable. We may use two variables also. If two variables, let me take x and some y and some minus 2 by 3. The combination of all these x plus y minus 2 by 3 or x into y minus 2 by 3, or you can take x square plus y minus 2 by 3, or you can take x square plus y square minus xy, whatever you want. We are taking the combination of all these variables and constants is nothing but a polynomial. Of course, some of them are thinking that x square by 2 only or 2 by x square is not a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. It is an expression, not polynomial. It is an expression, right? All these are about expressions. This is expression, algebraic expression. Now, let me come to what is a polynomial. See, sir, in expression, okay, let me go to the polynomial definition. Polynomial, there we will get polynomial. Actually, the name poly means many. Many expression, that means expression. If you write any one expression, see, let me give one example. Expression, some 2x plus 3y minus 5. This is one expression. Before going to polynomial, we have to know some basic terms of this. In this expression, how many terms are there? That means we have to know first of all what are the terms. How can we find the terms of one expression? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? What is term? See, we have one more definition for term. Terms are separated with addition or subtraction. Terms are separated with addition or subtraction. Then we can know easily how many terms are there in the given above polynomial, above expression, not polynomial, above expression. So in this expression, see, here one symbol is there, addition. Here one symbol is there, subtraction. That means you see, this is addition, this is subtraction. Now, this addition, subtraction, separating the expressions. See here, sir, this is one and this is one and this is one. That means terms are separated with addition or subtraction. Therefore, now you can say that how many terms are there in the above expression, 2x plus 3y minus 5. How many terms are there? Here 3 terms are there. 3 terms are there. Now, some example, if you take some example, there 2 by 3 x minus 5y by 7. See, sir, in this example, how many terms are there? Here the operation is negative. This is separating. Then how many terms are there in this? Two terms are there. Two terms are there. I think you understood about the terms. Depends upon terms, we have separate one concept is there. Before going to that concept, let me tell you about the coefficients. What is mean by coefficients, sir? Let me tell you in this above example only. 2 by 3 x minus 5 by 7 y. My dears, listen, here the variable is x and the variable is y. Now this is the variable, these two are the variable. Now the multiple of the variable, this variable multiple is 2 by 3, this variable multiple is minus 5 by 7, we have to include that sign also. Now x coefficient is the multiple of x, nothing but multiple of x. What is that? 2 by 3. Y coefficient is nothing but minus 5 by 7. Okay, I think you understood. Coefficient, nothing but the multiple of the variable is called, with the sign, is called coefficient. Now we will learn the two concepts of the expression, that is terms of the expression and coefficients of the expressions. Now let me come to the concept, actually polynomial, we are discussing about that. Polynomial. Now sir, before going to polynomial also we have different some terminology what I said just now. The thing is, first one is depends on terms. Depends on terms. We can separate. We have different names, or we can separate the expressions. If see, we learn 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms are there in this. Depends on the terms. Now boys, please listen. If in the expression only one term is there, then that expression is called monomial. That expression is called monomial. Let me give one example, small example. Only one term, what I said, only one term, that means 2x. Example, only one term, 2x or minus 3 by 5x, or y you take, or look at here, maybe x square by 9. Only one term, sir. There is no any addition, subtraction, separating the terms. Only one term. These are called monomials. Right? Now, if two terms, if there are two terms, that means then it is called, if two terms are there, then it is called, 2 means binomial. It is called binomial. Let me give one small example about binomial. That means two terms separated with addition or subtraction. 2x, chalo, this upside only, I am taking the combination of this. 2x minus 3 by 5y, or these two I am taking, x square by 9 plus 3 by 5y. See here you have two terms. You combined two terms. It is called binomial. Like that, three terms. If three terms, then it is called trinomial. Trinomial. Okay. Now, that means monomial, binomial, trinomial, four terms. Then we will get now the definition of polynomial. Definition of polynomial. If any expression have one or more terms is called polynomial. Maybe one, no problem. More than one, maybe binomial is, trinomial, all those are called polynomials. Polynomials. Let me give example. Some 3x minus 4y plus 5 plus 5. This is called a polynomial. 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, 1 term, 2 terms. Sometimes only we will call 1 term also polynomial. Right? This is called a polynomial. Sir, you are saying that only that the power is only 1 only. No, no need of 3x square minus 4x plus 5. This is also polynomial. Here some of them they are getting some doubt. If there is no any term, it is not called a polynomial. At least there should be one term. That is called polynomial. This polynomial definition comes from terms only, depending upon the terms. No need of the power x square is there or y square is there. No need of. This polynomial definition comes from only the number of terms. Similar concept, one more concept is there about the powers. Here we learned about the terms. Now next concept is there, the power of the variable. What we call the power of the variable. No, please let me know. Let me tell you. I think you understood what we learned. Once again, let me sum up. Let me sum up. Please look at the board. What we learned from the beginning. Polynomial. For polynomial, we learned expression. What is the definition of expression? And in that examples also I given you definition. Combination of variables and constants is called expression. Next, polynomial. For polynomial, before polynomial, in this expression also depending upon the terms. Terms means terms are separated with plus or minus, that I said. Number of terms depends upon the terms. We have the separate names. If only one term, that is called monomial. Only two terms, that is called binomial. Only three terms, that is called trinomial. Separately, if we go for, while combining all this, if you write a definition, polynomial, if you say there is a definition, polynomial, if any expression have one or more terms, is called a polynomial. That means maybe two terms, maybe one term, maybe three terms, maybe four terms, all those. That is called a polynomial. This depends upon the terms. We have the definition of our concept of polynomial definition is there. This is about to depend upon the terms. Now, let me go for depending upon the powers. We have next concept is we have next concept, that is depending upon the power. One second. Yeah, the term is degree. Degree means, most of you know, the 9th standard, 10th standard people, most of you know degree. What is degree? In any expression, or in any expression, highest power of the variable is called degree. Highest power of the variable is called degree. Nothing, sir, we have to see whatever expression he given, how many variables are there, no problem. Whatever variables, how many variables are there. In that, the highest power on the head, whatever you are getting, that concentrate upon that, which is highest power you are getting, then that power is called the degree of that polynomial. Degree, how much you can say now? Degree is 3. This is called degree is 3. A variable power is called degree is 3. Some of their thinking about if it is negative, what happens, sir? That, of course, I forgot that. Let me tell you about if the negative power is there. If there is any negative power or quotient, that means 1 by 2 or 2 by 3, those are not called polynomials. In the definition of polynomial is nothing but the degree must and should be whole number. Degree must and should be whole number, then only it is called a polynomial. One more definition, why I am telling now only, because we got the concept of degree, that's why I am telling you. If degree is whole number, then it is called polynomial. Other than whole number, then it is not a polynomial. Other than whole number, let me give you example here. X to the power of, that means look at beta, some root x plus 3 is there. This is nothing but x to the power of 1 by 2, you know, plus 3. What about this 1 by 2? What is the degree of this 1 by 2? It is not a whole number. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. Let me give you one more example. 1 by x plus 3. Sir, it is only 1 na. It is a whole number na. No, you have to make it into standard form. That means this you can write as x to the power of minus 1 plus 3. Now come to the power. It is also not a whole number. Right? Therefore, this is also not a polynomial. This is about a degree, highest power, that power should be whole number, otherwise it is not a polynomial, no discussion about that. Right, my dears? We have some more concepts are there due to time. Let me continue in the next session. Have a good day. Bye.